Okay, we're going to try to solve a word problem using determinants. Our problem is, 1 month Dan rented 2 movies and 5 video games for a total of $35. The next month he rented 8 movies and 3 video games for a total of $38. Find the rental cost of each movie and video game. So for our purposes, I'm using 2 variables, one M for movies and the other V for video games. And this is the information we have in our problem. In 1 month, Dan rented 2 movies, 5 video games, and it cost $35. So here, I've written an equation to reflect that. 2 times the price of the movie, so 2 movies, plus 5 times the price of the video games, so 5 video games equals $35. The next part of our question, we have the next month he rented 8 movies and 3 video games for a total of $38. So here we have 8 times the price of the movies for 8 movies, plus 3 times the price of the video games for 3 video games equals $38. Now, of course, you could solve this problem using substitution, but once you master determinants, it actually makes it quite a bit easier, I think. So to start out here, we need to figure out what our determinant is. And to do this, we simply take the coefficients of M, being 2 and 8, we write them here. Take the coefficients of V, 5 and 3, move them here. And now all we do is multiply 2 and 3. So 2 times 3. And then we multiply 8 and 5 and take that away from it. So 2 times 3 minus 8 times 5. And when we do that, we get 2 times 3 minus 8 times 5. We get an answer of negative 34. Okay, so to move our determinant of M and determinant of V, we simply substitute which variable we're trying to work with the answer. For example, for the determinant of M, for our M variable, we substitute the 35 and the 38. So the 35 and the 38. And we work this problem the exact same way we did before. 35 times 3, so right here, 35 times 3, minus 38 times 5. And we work that problem, we get negative 85. So as before, we work our determinant of V. Now, just like we did here, the variable V is what we're looking for, so we're going to substitute in the V column our answers here, 35 and 38. So again, we're going to multiply these, 2 times 38. Then we're going to subtract the product of these, 8 times 35. And when we do that, we get an answer of negative 204. So now, our determinant of M equals 85. Our determinant of V equals negative 204, sorry, negative 85. And our determinant equals negative 34. So here's our formulas to find our variables. M equals the determinant of M over D. So we have everything we need. The determinant of M is negative 85 divided by the determinant is negative 34, which gives us an answer of $2.50. So the price of a movie rental is $2.50. And just like that question, when we come down here to find V, the cost of our video games, we take the determinant of V, which is negative 204, divide it by negative 34, which gives us an answer of 6. Here is the cost that Dan rents a movie for and a video game for. Feel free to go back and substitute these back in, and you'll find that you can check your answers.